Welcome to Bayer Crop Science's Market Development Research Site near Camden Point, Missouri. For many of you, welcome back in a slightly different format as we come to you virtually this year. We look forward to hosting field days in the future again and having all of you back when conditions allow us to do so. If you haven't had a chance to visit the site in the past, welcome, and we encourage you to do so in the future. My name is Ben Beasing, Technology Development Representative for Bayer in western Missouri and eastern Kansas. This farm near Camden Point has a long history of supporting research and market development work, with over 10 years of research occurring at the site. This site has been an excellent location to conduct research in the past, with a high level of success, much due to the characteristics of the site. The farm has deep, well-drained, productive soils capable of holding and supplying nutrients and water very well. Over the years, the site has expanded and currently houses over 100 acres of research looking at various new and emerging genetics, traits, chemistries, seed treatments, and agronomic trials. 2020, like many years in the past, has proven to be a unique year in Missouri. This year, the site started off cool and dry until mid-growing season when rain started showing up and the temperatures increased. This is a pretty close opposite to conditions when compared to our other market development research site in southwest Missouri. This provides us a great opportunity, though, to experience much of our research in two completely unique situations to help us better characterize and place products and technologies in western Missouri and eastern Kansas. This year, we have our traditional market development showcase blocks, where we have on display our new products as well as current key products for the area from DeKalb, Lewis, and Channel. In addition, we have many of these products included in some of our other research on site, such as our hybrid by fungicide characterization trial. In this trial, we have 30 different hybrids planted where we have applied an R1 application of Bayer's new triple active ingredient fungicide, Deloro Complete. This trial focuses on understanding which hybrids respond greatest to a fungicide application relative to other hybrids to help provide information on where a fungicide would provide the greatest return on investment. This trial was planted on April 21st at a population of 34,000 and the fungicide application was made on July 10th. At application, disease presence was fairly low, with primarily a light presence of gray leaf spot in the lower canopy. Stay tuned for more disease observation updates on this trial as well as harvest results at the end of the season. We also have on site 4 corn trials dedicated to seed treatments, looking at different combinations of fungicides, insecticides, nematicides, and biologicals applied as seed treatments. This is a continued area of focus for research at the site year after year, as successful root development and protection is crucial to the corn plant through the growing season. At Bayer, we are continuously looking at options to better protect plants and roots from pests early in the growing season through the use of seed treatments. Related to seed treatments, we also have on site this year a trial looking at a superior seed treatment in EDC paired with different fungicide applications, made both in early vegetative growth stages as well as late vegetative to early reproductive stages to evaluate an overall best disease management strategy in corn that optimizes yield. New this year to the site, we have added a white and waxy corn trial, as these niche markets have become more important and prevalent in the northwest Missouri and northeast Kansas area. We will continue these plots in the future to screen new and existing products and help find a fit and place for them within this market in the area. Lastly, for corn at the site, we have set up a disease demo plot this year, where we have taken hybrids with different susceptibilities to 5 key corn diseases and stacked them up against each other. We then have inoculated these plots with the disease pathogens to ensure we have a high pressure of disease in the plot. The intent of this plot is to help educate on the identification and recognition of diseases and help bring awareness to tactics to help manage these diseases through the use of our strong genetic offering, fungicides, and other management practices. We have a lot of research dedicated to soybeans at the site this year as well. First and foremost, we have our new XtendFlex soybeans expected soon, providing a diverse weed management package and high-yielding soybean genetics. We have on site the first class ready for launch, as well as a breeder pre-commercial plot evaluating potential future varieties in this trait package. In addition, we are also looking at this first class of XtendFlex soybeans in a high-yielding scenario where we have applied Delaro Complete on a proportion of the trial to evaluate varietal response to fungicide, similar to our corn trial. We are very excited about what these soybeans have to offer, so stay tuned for more updates on XtendFlex soybeans. We also have a soybean competitive trait offering trial, where we have taken soybean genetics from different trait platforms and placed them in a replicated small plot head-to-head, looking solely at the genetic comparison. All of these soybean trials we have multiple looks at in western Missouri and eastern Kansas, and slightly different relative maturity groups, as they are all located at our site in southwest Missouri as well. In addition, we have a large soybean trial supporting Climate Field View, where we have taken a field and planted multiple soybean varieties at different plant populations, both treated with fungicide and untreated. This trial is aimed at helping support the platform and develop future offerings and tools of it through localized, relevant data. Lastly, on site we have a portion of the site dedicated to crop protection research every year. One repeat trial we have this year is our competitive herbicide systems trial, looking at different herbicide programs in soybeans and their ability to provide adequate weed control and maintain yield. Stay tuned for more updates from the Camden Point Market Development Research Site, as well as harvest results in the near future.